Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of December. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And do follow me on Instagram. The readings there are different than these readings, and the name of the page is the same as the channel. The link is given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Taurians. Okay, so we have the King of Cups, the Six of Cups, the Queen of Swords, okay, the Temperance, the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Cups, Kings and Queens, okay, the Two of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, Page of Cups, the Three of Swords, the Four of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, okay. Let's see what's the message from this deck for Taurians. Okay, Eight of Diamonds, guidance from the angels for Taurians. Okay, Four of Emotion. Okay. So Taurians, we have the King of Cups, and here we have the Queen of Cups, and here we have the Queen of Wands. So with the King of Cups, the Queen of Wands, and in between we have the Six of Cups. So what I feel is it is sort of either it is a stepping up of a relationship, reconciliation and stepping up of a relationship, perhaps it is. So whatever the relationship was between both of you, perhaps it is a stepping up of that relationship, and in that way it is a sort of a reconciliation or a reunion type of a thing. Let's see how the reading goes. But as far as these three cards are concerned, what I feel is it is this, because here we have, and then we have the Temperance, the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Cups. So what I feel is this is a situation in which things needed to be balanced and sorted out, and with the Knight of Swords and the Queen of Cups, what I feel here is that it was a situation in which somebody was waiting for somebody to act and open up. So here with the Queen of Cups, you had emotions, a lot of emotions for someone, and with the Queen of Wands, you are sitting here very attractive, very composed and cool, just waiting for the action from the other person, okay. And that person is this King of Cups, who is definitely having a lot of emotions, but perhaps controlling them and not expressing them much. Okay, but yes, this person did have an eye on you, and you were waiting over here. You were also not showing your emotions over here with the Queen of Cups, and you were sitting in your own power, not taking a step forward. And this situation actually wanted a decision or a movement from this King of Cups, and here with the Knight of Swords, I see maybe this person is now taking an action or willing to take an action, and a very fast action or a decision in some way, shape, or form, which is stepping up this relationship. Now, this stepping up can be as little as opening up, okay, and it can be as big as a commitment and a marriage, okay, whatever it is. Let's see. And here we have the Two of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, and the Nine of Cups. What I feel here is that there has been an indecision in this situation, and definitely being closed back, being detached, not opening up. As I've already said, somebody here was not opening up. I think both of you were not opening up, and perhaps there was some sort of balance or decision was required to be made, and to some extent juggling was going on. What to do, what not to do, type of a thing was there, and that is why the emotions were not expressed and things were closed off. And here also with the Nine of Cups, what I feel is, though you knew that it is the wish fulfillment, though you knew that this person or this relationship is close to my heart, but perhaps what I feel is, like it's like you encircled the situation, you know it's close to your heart, but you're not expressing it. What is this trying to say? Just give me a second. Was it going round and round? Was this situation going round and round since a long time? And maybe it had become a never-ending type of a thing. Being closed off, holding everything to yourself, not letting the other person know what you feel, though you know that this person is a wish fulfillment, but you are totally being closed off. So maybe this is a situation which is just wanting a decision and from the other person. Okay. And here we have the Page of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, the Four of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that this definitely is a small beginning towards this situation which has required, or which has taken such a long time for this reconciliation or for this decision, which is being pending or wanted by the other person, and which is causing a lot of heartache also in this situation. And with the Four of Swords, somebody is definitely surrendered and given up and not actually investing, and this person has totally given up on this situation. Okay, I really don't know if it is ever going to happen. As I said over here, it was going round and round and round. It was a never ending type of a situation. As I said, this person maybe has been indecisive and juggling on you since a long time, though both of you knew that it is a wish fulfillment. Okay, and here somebody is healing, healing in the sense this person is so shattered, or the situation is like that it just required time, or the other person is giving it time because the other person really can't do much about it. Okay, though it is causing a lot of heartache. But yes, what I feel here is the Page of Pentacles, and here we have the Ace of Pentacles. I see it is a small beginning, but it will ultimately become a big one. That's what I feel over here. A small beginning, maybe a small step forward, will take this relationship towards being grounded and being stable and long term. Okay, which will bring that shine into your life. Okay. So from this deck we have the Eight of Diamonds. So this is when you're working patiently on something and then you get the result. So this is what is happening. It's taken a lot of time. It's taken a lot of, it's like weaving a small thing, and it takes ages. It's taking a lot of time for you to weave this relationship up actually. Four of emotion is the guidance from the angels. There are wonderful people who wish to help you. Opportunities are being offered to you, but you aren't noticing or trusting the gifts heaven is bestowing upon you. Look around you. Daydreaming or going within is a healthy way to get clarity as long as you act upon your dreams. So maybe this is a time when you are juggling, because it's a time to take a decision. You are juggling, you really don't know what to do, or you are not able to decide. So maybe you have some heaven sent people, maybe those are your friends who will help you in this reconciliation. Okay, they will give you the right advice, you need to trust them. Okay, so Taurians, if you are getting any advices, just at least listen to those people and just understand what's their point of view. Okay, so maybe they will help you for this reunion, or for this, or for you to take a decision which is really important to remove the heartache in this situation. So Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.